Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. What sentiment is increasing in live-in relationships nowadays? Option A, encouragement and support. Option B, neutral observation. Option C, frustration and being fed up. Option D, legal approval. The correct answer is option C. The Allahabad High Court has shown increasing frustration towards the growing number of live-in relationship cases entering the legal system. Question number 2. What is the condition to allow the restoration of cancelled GST registration? Option A, no condition. Option B, if the GST authority permits. Option C, if the taxpayer files a new application. And option D, if the taxpayer clears dues and files returns. The correct answer is option D. The Guwahati High Court recently held that the restoration of cancelled GST registration is permissible if the taxpayers clears their dues and files the necessary returns. The condition ensures compliance before reinstating the registration. Question number 3. Who may issue a commission for the examination of a person? Option A, High Court. Option B, any court in the same state. Option C, any court in different state with jurisdiction. And option D, Supreme Court. The correct answer is option C. Section 76 of the CPC, a commission for the examination of a person can be issued by any court other than High Court in different state where the person resides. The receiving court must examine the person and return the commission with evidence to the issuing court unless directed otherwise. Question number 4. What is the punishment for gang rape? Option A, imprisonment up to 10 years and fine. Option B, imprisonment for 20 years or life imprisonment and fine. Option C, imprisonment for 5 years and fine. And option D, imprisonment for 15 years and fine. The correct answer is option B. Section 70 of BNS states the punishment for gang rape, which is rigorous imprisonment for a term not less than 20 years, which may extend to life imprisonment along with a fine. Question number 5. Rules relating to the appeal to the Supreme Court is found in dash of CPC. Option A, Order 41. Option B, Order 45. Option C, Order 49. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Rules relating to appeals to the Supreme Court is found under Order 45 of the CPC. This order provides the procedure for filing an appeal to the Supreme Court from a judgment or order of a High Court. It's the time for practice question. In the bailment of pledges under the Indian Contract Act, a pawner is option A, bailer, option B, bailee, option C, surety, and option D, none of the above. Pin down the answers in the comment section below.